गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। आई होप सभी का वीकेंड अच्छा गया है। वी आर ऑन संडे। आई वेलकम यू टू कैटलिस्ट ट्रेडिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स सेशन ऑन analysis of the indices. Today we are going to restrict our analysis to bank nifty and nifty. Again, I want to wait and watch and see how the stocks react to the selling that we witnessed on Thursday, right? And I said I want couple of days the market to settle, and the reasons are very simply, right? If you see US 30 has been moving zigzag, right? So right now it's better to stay light. So पहले चलते हैं दोस्तों बैंक निफ्टी के एनालिसिस पे। बैंक निफ्टी काफ़ी लोग कह रहे हैं कि क्या इसने शूटिंग स्टार पैटर्न टॉप पे बनाया, इसने क्या इसने इनसाइड कैंडल बनाया। अगेन फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट। डेली में कुछ पैटर्न नहीं है, वीकली में अगर आप देखेंगे ना, रेजिस्टेंस पे एक प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आई, फिर क्या इसको मैं शूटिंग स्टार कहूँगा? द आंसर इज नो। एज इन इट्स पार्शली येस, पार्शली नो। वैसे है तो इनसाइड कैंडल। इस वीक के कैंडल के पूरी इस वीक प्रायर वीक के कैंडल ने पूरी तरह से इसको एनगल्फ किया है। आई विल वेट, राइट? बैंक निफ्टी इज नॉट वीक टिल इट क्लोजेस बिलो दिस लेवल। द रीज़न वेरी सिंपली पुट गाइज इज, यहाँ पे ना इसने काफ़ी रेजिस्टेंस लिया था, इसने यहीं पे रेजिस्टेंस लिया था और अब यहाँ पे सपोर्ट भी ले रहा है। सो कल अगर 43,717 के नीचे भी आता है तो 43,558 पे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है बैंक निफ्टी को। वैसे मेन वीकनेस इज ओनली बिलो 43,380। देयर ऑल्सो दिस कैंडल could actually give the support. So guys, I personally feel bank nifty has got a lot of supports at the bottom. There is selling pressure, unfortunately, when selling happens, right, you have gravitational force which is pulling the market down. Along with it, there is panic, right? Selling always happens in panic. VIX should rise, and if we go to VIX chart, right, you guys will clearly see VIX is not rising despite the fall in market. VIX is not rising. That also tells me that probably in the market there is accumulation or some sort of shaking of weak hands which is happening. VIX ideally should increase with the panic in the market, right? That is not happening. So I have my couple of reasons where I feel these are, yes, these are profit booking candles, these are not selling candles, right? On a weekly chart it is clearly visible, it's an inside candle, and probably it may take a support somewhere, right? Let's not have a bias in our mind, ठीक है? Let's not have, हम कोई bias रखेंगे नहीं। डेली कैंडल अगर हम देखेंगे तो मार्केट को 43,765 एंड 574 के बीच में ही सपोर्ट मिलेगा। यहाँ पे अगर कोई एक बुलिश कैंडल आती है तो आपको लॉन्ग जाना है, ठीक है? पहली बार तो आपको लॉन्ग जाना है। लेट्स लुक एट 15 मिनट्स टू एक्चुअली प्लान आर ट्रेड, राइट? फ्राइडे को हमने लाइव ट्रेड दिया था। पर्सनली हमने दो ट्रेड्स पोस्ट किए थे, शायद ये एक ट्रेड पोस्ट किए थे, एक लाइव लिया था, एंड दोनों सक्सेसफुल थे। स्टॉक ऑप्शंस ऑब्वियसली आर डूइंग वेरी वेल। 15 मिनट के चार्ट में देखेंगे ना, आफ्टर दिस इम्पल्स कैंडल अप डाउन विच वॉज हैपनिंग, राइट, there was no concrete selling. In fact, market threatened to fall but it never fell. For tomorrow we will plan for all the three scenarios. अगर मार्केट गैप अप ओपन होता है बिटवीन 44,160 टू 240, ये रेंज में ना, ये सेलिंग कैंडल जहाँ से आई थी ना, ये रेंज में अगर कहीं पे गैप अप ओपन होता है और बेरिश कैंडल देता है तो आप शॉर्ट जाइए। टुमारो इज गोना बी ट्रिकी, वी विल हैव टू बी रेडी फॉर बोथ द सिनेरियोज, ऑल थ्री सिनेरियोज, राइट? साइडवेज, bearish market and bullish market, right? In my opinion it will be a volatile market. Up down both SLs will be taken out, right? But in the morning trade the way we are planning it is, जहाँ से सेलिंग आई थी इस वीक के बीच में कहीं पे भी खुलता है मेरा इंटरेस्ट, इफ आई गेट इट समवेयर हियर और हियर, आई गेट अ नेगेटिव कैंडल like this, I may want to short below this for the target of 44,000, right? Given market is right now trading at psychological support, if it opens flat and consolidates in the first 5 to 10 minutes, then you should take a trade for these targets, right? Targets of, the target 1 will be 44,100, target 2 will be 44,200. कल के लिए do not plan any big trades, right? So I've explained what to do gap up, what to do when it's opening flat. Gap down, right, will be the trickiest market to trade. If it is gap down, if you see these two areas, right, there is a support. The problem is the support region is very big. So this is the complete support, right? You have one level of support here. The second level of support is below. So any of these 2 points, right, depending on the quantum of gap down, if you get a bullish candle, take a trade on the long side. Personally, I am going to reduce my quantity and trade tomorrow because I am not seeing a confident move up या down. दोस्तों मुझे up या down कोई confident move नहीं नज़र आ रहा है. मुझे कल पर्सनली लग रहा है वोलेटाइल डे होगा. जैसे फ्राइडे को साइडवेज था, बारिंग 1 और 2 कैंडल वेर इट गेव साइडवेज डे था. मुझे पर्सनली लग रहा है कि बैंक निफ्टी कल दोनों साइड पे एसएल लेके जा सकता है, वोलेटाइल होगा. ठीक है, स्पॉट चार्ट में ज़्यादा कुछ क्लैरिटी है नहीं. विक्स इज अगेन सेइंग दैट selling was actually an accumulation and not the selling. Let's go to component chart and see, right? Component chart में we'll look at all 6 banks together to see if 6 banks are giving some view, right? So if you see, right, when you put 6 banks together, everything is at support. Kotak above 1877 will again become bullish. Axis, again there was a profit booking, but above 978 it becomes bullish. 944 and above ICICI becomes bullish. 1618 and above HDFC Bank becomes bullish. SBI is again taking a support. Above 580 it can become bullish, and IndusInd definitely above 1335 will become bullish. Components are also saying they are neutral. At a big gap down also they will try to find support, right? Only at gap up you will have some chance to short. Flat market and gap down, right, ideally I am seeing one round of buying coming in the market, right? So this is the story by looking at the component charts. Now if you look at the option chart, this is giving a very nice pattern, guys. If see, for tomorrow, if market opens between, say, if it opens between 294 and 260, doesn't break the low, right, and then tries to break out, the first target will be 320, second target will be 361, third target will be 395. The stop loss in this case will be 20 points. You are seeing more than 1:1 risk reward. Here, no, in fact, despite every jing bang that market did yesterday, if you see that the high of 384 which was created in 44,200 PE, right, despite everything, it didn't even threaten to go anywhere nearby. So for tomorrow, see, at a gap up opening, right, if it starts trading near 271 to 250, then I would look at one round of buying. Otherwise, flat opening, I have my doubts. Probably below 301, right, this option becomes weak for the target of 258. I would not want to see here, there are a lot of supplies, right, on the put side. So above 348, right, I will have to wait for 364 to be taken out, then the targets of 397 etc. are possible. Personally, if you see, right, the way the option chart has been created, the put buying is looking very risky. Rather above 395 this put goes, right, you have a clear visibility of 70-80 points on the put side here. So I would wait on the put and I would take a trade. Gap up opening mein I can actually take a support trade for put, right? Support, or sorry, resistance on the spot chart and support on the put chart, right? So this is the story on Bank Nifty, guys. I am saying market is looking very confusing. Many people are saying it's a shooting star, so and so, so and so. भैया कुछ भी नहीं है, इनसाइड कैंडल है, एंड शूटिंग स्टार है भी तो कंफर्म होने दो. इन केस देयर इज एनी ट्रेड, आई विल पोस्ट इट ऑन टेलीग्राम, राइट? वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट विक्स. नाउ लेट्स गो टू निफ्टी, राइट? निफ्टी, अगेन द चार्ट इज इंटरेस्टिंग. इट्स क्लियरली एट अ सपोर्ट जोन, राइट? गैप डाउन ओपन होता है बिटवीन 18,530 एंड 18,500. फर्स्ट बुलिश कैंडल गो लॉन्ग, राइट? A gap up opening around 18,640 to 18,627. If you get a bearish candle with 1/10 the quantity, you can enter short. Flat opening will make it very dicey. If you see the trend lines here, right, this trend line was breached by Nifty, right? A flat opening and a subsequent rise towards this level, right, would mean that there would be another round of selling. And if you see, right, 560 to 615, 50 points, you may not get a very big move in Nifty premiums, right? Let's quickly get into the Nifty component chart. So Nifty spot is again confusing. I am seeing Nifty spot to actually go long. Clearly, right, Nifty IT and defensives are not giving a good support to Nifty. Bank Nifty was not that bad, right? Let's try to get into Nifty IT chart and see if there is some trend here. So Nifty IT, right, only about 28,420, it will be bullish, else it's a wait and watch. This candle was bad in Nifty IT, the first 5 minute candle, and from there the selling continued, right? Realty actually got a good flip on Friday, but components here are weak. Let me see if Reliance and HDFC are giving some clue for me to enter long. Reliance again witnessed selling, but again interesting part, right? About 2480, Reliance will become bullish, guys, for the target of 2496. I am clearly saying Nifty for me, right? If Bank Nifty gives it support, Reliance and Nifty IT, right, along with HDFC can drag it, right? HDFC chart is better than HDFC Bank, above 2657. This can go to 2666, 70, and 78. For me, Nifty is bullish. Bank Nifty gap down opening will become bullish, flat opening will confuse, gap up opening we will have to wait and watch and see. So friends, for now this is it. Please share the video with your friends, colleagues, guys. For people who have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I will close the analysis. We'll try to see if we can do a live session tomorrow. I hope everyone starts the week with profit. Thank you, guys.